Max, welcome to my home. Yeah, there's going to be always something here for a minute, but I gotta make space to bring my chair in. And please remember that this is a lot smaller than what it seems. So, constantly redoing stuff. I'm gonna get the Tina suggested a throw to put over there. I'll get that on payday. Soon, this isn't going to be here. A table with my TV on it is going to be here. Thus, I really needed to move that stuff over here. Now I just got to move all this stuff someplace in the kitchen. Excuse me. Resin station. Clay beading station. Paper station. Oh, you really got to be careful when you move from bigger to smaller. Let's turn this on. Get some air going. That's his favorite cool spot. Underneath my clothes drying is their stroller. And no, I can't take the stroller apart because it doesn't bend in the middle. I would have to literally, take the whole bottom out. The whole bottom is one piece. And then, of course, this will fold on top of itself. But there's a nice thick cardboard board down there. So it's not like it's not like a regular stroller. I can't fold it and unfold it, fold it, unfold it. So it'll probably just stay there even after I take all the stuff out. Eventually, this half of the table is where I'm going to be sitting to eat my breakfast and enjoy the view. To prevent them from jumping up in the windowsill or on my washing machine. And I love, love, love my big kitchen. Oops. Guess I should go that way. I just love it. So all that dog food, cat food stuff eventually is going to go right here. I love all my pantry space. Eventually I'm going to put my jars up there, and after I can my food, it'll go there since it's nice and cool over here. And here's the other half. See, all of these types of things I need to put in what would be the coat closet, but that's where I have their box to go poop. Gargantuan brand new refrigerator, which I love. So, mostly all that eventually will go on top of the table. I don't know. I gotta squeeze this probably someplace else. I don't know. Okay. Another table, a wooden table, is gonna go here. This is gonna go. This is the coat closet. See? But that fits so comfortably there. I don't know, maybe I could squeeze the other stuff in on that side over there. I'll think about that later. Tons and tons and tons of cubby space, thank God. Look forward to filling that up with supplies. Yeah, the door does close, but I don't like closed doors. I don't have a dryer, so I drip dry. And more wonderful, wonderful space. So happy to have cubby space. I just wish that they were bigger so you can slide your, I don't know, vacuum cleaner. I guess technically that's supposed to go there too. But I'm thinking of moving their box maybe underneath the table over there, and then I could put my feet on top of it. Then I can put my wagon and all that other stand-up stuff in here. Now on here and in the bedroom, I'm going to be putting lace curtains. I'm getting my rod and my curtains on payday. Cover all this up so nobody sees that. Cover that up so nobody sees that except me. And more lace curtains for my closet space. Yeah, so this is my bedroom and I love it. So the black bookcase, that one, eventually is going to go here behind the closet and put my crystals on it. Well, the lightweight crystals anyway, that plastic bends. What's wrong with you? What's the matter? No, you're not getting treats yet. You're not getting treats yet, okay? So just adjust. Thank God I got tons of closet space, and I love it. So there's been like 3 people in my house. Oh my God, your apartment is so big. I know. And thank you, Ramona. So right at my right hand, I got all my stationary bed stuff. The stuff that I do in bed, my journals and cards and stuff, is right here. My makeshift little nightstand. No. With all my daily essentials on it and the laptop. My 10,000 watt light bulb, so it's daytime in here even during the daytime. Oh boy. And finally, mostly all my spaces are clear. That's clothes that are going to go in the dresser. And one day I'll have all that nice, neat, and organized with more crystals. Yeah. This is going to go sometime soon in exchange for a wood arm wall. And the cat tree is going to go there in that corner. You are just so, no. And Magic, don't be sending him to say, oh, go tell Mom we want treats. I know you do that. I know you do that. Yeah, that's got to go. I just got to wait till next month, pay the guy to put up all my baskets and shelves right here. Oh, sorry. Well, baskets are going to go along that wall for storage space. So, it's lunchtime. So I'm going to sit here, eat my lunch, clear off my table. Let's get some water. I don't know where I'm going to put this. I got to think about that. Oh. I do love all my cubbies. My cubbies. Let's get a spoon so I can eat my salad. Yes, I said a spoon. Leave me alone. I'm old. I can eat with whatever I want. And put on something good. Well, I got to get rid of her stuff. See, I'm thinking I have room for all of those big bags in the closet where the kitty litter bin is. Put the kitty litter bin under here. I could put my feet on top of that. Though it'll be harder to clean under there, but I need the exercise anyway, so. Well, it's living room day and I'm almost finished, so there. Oh, I'll put that in the bedroom closet. It's pretty lightweight. So, changes.